Have you ever wondered what mysteries might be hidden under the miles of ice in Antarctica? This is not just a question, but an invitation to step into the unknown, to delve into the icy enigma of the world's most isolated and mysterious continent, Antarctica. A place so remote, so untouched, it's as if nature herself has set it apart, preserving it in a cocoon of ice for millennia. Imagine a layer of ice, so thick, so dense, it reaches up to 4 kilometers in places. A frozen shield that hides an unseen world beneath. An intricate network of subglacial lakes lies beneath this icy blanket, playing an unseen yet crucial role in the movement of the ice sheets. It's a world within a world, a secret realm untouched by human hands. This vast expanse of ice, a frozen canvas on which nature paints her most intricate designs, begs the question, so what could possibly be hidden under this vast expanse of ice? Believe it or not, beneath the ice of Antarctica, there lies an entire mountain range. Yes, you heard that right. A mountain range. And not just any mountain range, but one that rivals the size of the Alps. It's known as the Gamburtsev mountain range, a name that might not ring a bell as it doesn't exactly enjoy the same fame as the Himalayas or the Rockies. It was discovered, quite unexpectedly, by Soviet explorers in the 1950s. As they ventured into the icy wilderness of Antarctica, their radar picked up something unusual, an entire range of mountains buried beneath miles of ice. Now, let's take a moment to grasp the enormity of this discovery. Imagine the Alps, those majestic peaks that stretch across 8 countries in Europe. Now picture them hidden under a blanket of ice, unseen by human eyes for millennia. The existence of the Gamburtsev mountain range continues to baffle scientists. How did it form? When did it form? Theories abound, with some suggesting that these hidden peaks could be anywhere between 100 to 200 million years old. That's right, they might have been around when the first dinosaurs roamed the earth. And here's the kicker. These mountains aren't just old, they're also incredibly well preserved. The ice, in all its cold, crushing weight, has acted as a protective shield, preserving the Gamburtsev range in a state of suspended animation. So while the rest of the world's peaks are weathered down by wind and rain, the Gamburtsev sit untouched, eternally frozen in time. Incredible, isn't it? A mountain range as big as the Alps hidden under miles of ice. As we delve deeper into the secrets of Antarctica, who knows what other wonders we'll uncover in this icy, untouched wilderness. The mysteries of Antarctica aren't just geological. There's a whole world of unique life forms down there. Life in the freezing depths of Antarctica is a testament to Mother Nature's adaptability and ingenuity. This is an environment that's unlike any other on Earth, where temperatures plunge, light is scarce, and the pressure is intense. Yet, it teems with life. The marine life in Antarctica is a marvel unto itself. These creatures have evolved over millions of years to survive and even thrive in these icy waters. They've developed a fascinating adaptation to do so: the production of antifreeze proteins. These proteins bind to ice crystals in their bodies, preventing them from growing and causing damage. It's a natural antifreeze system, allowing these organisms to survive in waters that would freeze the blood of any other creature. And it's not just about surviving the cold. These creatures also have to find food in an environment where resources are scarce. Enter the marine sponges, the unsung heroes of the Antarctic depths. These simple organisms are powerhouses of adaptation. They filter feed, straining tiny particles of food out of the water. They can survive on less food and in colder waters than almost any other creature. They are the ultimate survivors, outliving other species by decades, even centuries. But the antifreeze proteins and the marine sponges are just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. The Antarctic depths are home to a plethora of other creatures, each with their own unique adaptations, each playing their part in this icy ecosystem. Giant sea spiders, transparent octopuses, colossal squid, and bioluminescent sea stars, to name but a few. These creatures are a testament to the resilience of life, even in the harshest of conditions. They remind us that life, in all its myriad forms, finds a way to endure, adapt, and flourish, even in the freezing depths of Antarctica. Despite all we've learned, Antarctica still keeps many of its secrets well guarded. This icy expanse, the most isolated and intriguing continent on Earth, has been a source of fascination and mystery for generations. It's a place where the normal rules of life are suspended and where nature constantly defies expectations. Beneath its frosty surface, a thick layer of ice, up to 4 kilometers deep in places, conceals an astonishing world. Subglacial lakes, detected through radar technology, exist here. These hidden bodies of water influence the movement of the polar ice caps and house ecosystems that remain largely unknown to us. Deeper still, beneath the ice and the lakes, lies the Gambutsev mountain range. First discovered by Soviet explorers in the 1950s, this subglacial mountain range rivals the Alps in size. Its existence has been a subject of debate, but recent studies suggest that it could be between 100 to 200 million years old. And let's not forget the unique marine life that calls these icy waters home. Creatures here have developed remarkable adaptations to survive in the freezing depths. Some, for instance, produce their own antifreeze substances, while others, like the deep-sea sponges, have found intriguing ways to thrive in this extreme environment. The isolation and extreme conditions of Antarctica have made it a challenging place to explore, leaving vast areas of the continent and its surrounding oceans largely uncharted. But with every expedition, with every study, we uncover a little bit more of this frozen world's secrets. Yet, despite our advances, we've barely scratched the surface of this icy enigma. Antarctica continues to surprise us with its secrets. Who knows what other wonders and mysteries are hidden beneath its ice?